Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready for a fact that's going to completely blow your mind. What if I told you that sharks, these incredible ocean predators, have been around longer than trees? Yes, you heard that right. Sharks are older than trees. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's 100% true. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ancient history of our planet to uncover how this is even possible and why sharks are the ultimate survivors. So, let's set the stage. Picture Earth, but not the Earth we know today. We need to travel back in time, way back to over 450 million years ago. During a period called the continents were in different places, the air was different, and life on land was just beginning to get a foothold. It was a world of simple mosses and a few primitive, stem-like plants, nothing you'd recognize as a forest. But in the oceans, evolution was already crafting a masterpiece of predatory perfection. The very first ancestors of modern sharks were beginning to prowl the ancient seas. These weren't the great whites we see today, but they were unmistakably sharks, with cartilaginous skeletons and the classic torpedo-shaped bodies. They were here, swimming in Earth's oceans, long before the first large, woody trees ever took root on land. Now, let's fast forward a bit, to about 385 million years ago. This is when the first true trees, like a species called Archaeopteris, started to appear. These ancient trees had trunks and leaves and formed the very first forests on our planet. They changed the world, creating new habitats and altering the atmosphere. But think about this. By the time these first forests were sprouting, sharks had already been swimming in the oceans for at least 65 million years. That's an incomprehensible amount of time. To put it in perspective, the time gap between the first sharks and the first trees is longer than the time gap between the extinction of the dinosaurs and us humans today. It's absolutely staggering. This incredible longevity is why sharks are often called living fossils. But what does that actually mean? It doesn't mean they haven't changed at all. Sharks have evolved and diversified into over 500 different species, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. What it means is that their fundamental body plan, their basic design, has been so successful that it has stood the test of time. They found a blueprint for success early on and have been refining it ever since. So, what's their secret? How have sharks managed to outlast so many other species, including the dinosaurs? One of their biggest advantages is their skeleton. Unlike us, sharks don't have bones. Their entire skeleton is made of cartilage, the same flexible stuff in our ears and nose. This makes them incredibly lightweight and flexible, allowing them to be fast, agile hunters. It's a simple, yet brilliantly effective design. Another key to their survival is their adaptability. Sharks have survived not one, not two, but 5 mass extinction events. These were catastrophic periods in Earth's history where the vast majority of life was wiped out. The same event that killed off the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Sharks swam right through it. They've survived massive volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and drastic changes in climate and sea level. They've done this by being versatile. They live in every ocean, from the warm, shallow tropics to the freezing, dark depths. Some even live in fresh water. This ability to adapt to different environments has been crucial to their long-term success. And let's talk about their famous senses. Sharks are equipped with an amazing array of tools for finding food. They have a powerful sense of smell, able to detect a single drop of blood in a vast amount of water. Their eyesight is adapted for low-light conditions, and they have a special sense called the ampulla of Lorenzini. These are tiny jelly-filled pores on their snout that can detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of other living creatures. It's like a built-in sixth sense for hunting, making them incredibly efficient predators. From the hammerhead, with its bizarrely shaped head that gives it 360-degree vision, to the goblin shark that can unhinge its jaw to snatch prey, the diversity is astounding. The Greenland shark can live for over 500 years, making it the longest living vertebrate on the planet. The thresher shark uses its long tail as a whip to stun fish. Each species has its own unique set of adaptations, all built upon that ancient, successful blueprint. So the next time you see a picture of a tree, even a massive ancient redwood, remember this. The ancestors of the sharks in our oceans today were already ancient by the time the first sapling of that tree's distant relative pushed through the soil. They are not just mindless eating machines. They are a testament to the power of evolution and survival. They are a living link to a prehistoric world, a world before forests, before flowers, before dinosaurs. They are a vital part of our ocean ecosystems, and they deserve our respect and protection. They are true survivors, the ancient rulers of the sea. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey back in time. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts about our incredible world. Let me know in the comments what other living fossils you'd like to learn about. Until next time, stay curious.